y'all, I'm making myself just a few oatmeal cookies. Excuse me, just a few oatmeal cookies. I am going to make like half the recipe off of the box of old-fashioned oats, and I wanted to give y'all this quick tip. Whenever you're mixing nuts or fruit or something like that into your baked goods like muffins or cookies, just add a little bit of flour to them. And what that does is that will stop them from sinking to the bottom. Okay, it's just enough flour to suspend them in the baked flour in the batter, so that the nuts or the fruit, the blueberries or whatever you're adding, doesn't sink all the way to the bottom and everything is at the bottom. Okay, so that's the quick tip that I wanted to share with y'all today. I don't measure it. You can do teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever. I just grab a pinch of flour and just mix them, and that's good enough right there. That'll do the job. All right, I'm Val Taylor. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm still a little congested, but I'm getting better every day. Y'all go out and make it a great day, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now.